In section 4.2, we discuss linear and quadratic functions. Those will be the first types that we study in this class. So linear functions, notice the base word line. They're in one variable. They can be written as f of x equals mx plus b, or you can say ax plus b, or whatever. The main things to note is the number m, whatever the coefficient of x is, that's usually your slope. Well, it's always your slope. And then whatever b is, 0 comma b, is the y-intercept. Okay. And some caveats here. Well, we kind of have to say that that m is not 0, otherwise it's not a linear function. It's like a degree 0 function. So let's say that m is not equal to 0. Also notice that this f with the parentheses, this f is like the name of the function, so you can, that's just so that you can refer to it, like f, it could be g, whatever. And then whatever x is the input variable. So notice it should match whatever variable we're using over here. All right, so these are linear functions, and again, normally you're used to saying y equals mx plus b, but because we're using function notation, it's now f of x. So let's take you through two examples.